Hey guys, today I want to show you a little bit about these measuring spoon holders. So if you order one of these, I just want to show you how you would hang it up. And then also keep in mind that these are made out of reclaimed wood. I will measure them in a moment just to show you what size these are, but they are all a little bit different sizes just because it is reclaimed wood. So you can choose from two different fonts, this one or this one. And then we have the black hooks and the silver hooks. So these are the four that are available right now. I don't mind doing custom though, so I will get that option added to the website soon. These are what I use to be able to hang them, okay? So I'm going to show you, if you haven't ever used these 3M Velcro things, if you take the two opposite ends and just push them together, this will go on to two of these because they are all nice and put together. So I'm going to stick them on the back of one of these, and then when you actually get that into your home, you would peel off the thing, press it up against your wall where you want it, and you want to hold it for 30 seconds against the wall, okay, for it to hold. And then I would let it hang there for a little bit before you even put your spoons on, because you just don't want to add extra weight until it has really secured. They say to give it 24 hours before you add any more weight to it, but since it's just spoons, I don't think you need to wait a full 24 hours. But anyway, you would just, well, here, let me show you one. Okay, so I always stick them about here, and grab this other one, and here, so that the thing won't be seen. But then if you ever needed to remove it from your wall, then you can just gently pull it away from the Velcro, which that would leave this side still on the wall, right? Does that make sense? And then if you need to remove it from the wall, you just pull your tab real gently and it pries it away from the wall without tearing your wall up. So let me go ahead and do one to show you what I'm talking about. So just because you'll have to do the other end when it gets to you. So you peel that off, right? You can see the shiny where it's sticky. And then of course, when I'm putting it on here, I've got to make sure that I'm positioning it so that this little tabby thing isn't going to be visible once it's hanging on your wall. So I will put pressure on this for a good 30 seconds, but I'll do that off camera so you guys don't have to watch. And then same thing with this side. The great thing about Velcro tabs, by the way, this is not sponsored or anything, but I just want to say that I use these all over my house. I love them because if I hang something crooked with a Velcro tab, once you know that the wall side is on there securely, you can unhook the Velcro and then reposition your piece. Does that make sense? So let me go ahead and pause this and get these pressed down for a good 30 seconds, and then I'll come right back. Okay, guys, we've given it a little bit of time, so I'm going to show you now. If you were to order this, when you get it in, you would peel this off to put it on your wall, right? But what I want to show you is, let's pretend like if that side was stuck on your wall, right? Then this is how you just press that on there. So if it were crooked, once you got it hung up on the wall, if it if you stepped back and it was crooked, you can pull it off the Velcro and reposition it. And, you know, even if it was like totally messed up, you know, you just press it into the Velcro. And I mean, you wouldn't want it like that, obviously, but you get what I'm saying. So it's easy to realign it, and that's why I love Velcro strips so much. So that's why I chose to use these as the backing instead of like a picture hanger or anything like that, because I just felt like these were more versatile for everybody else as well. So as I was saying earlier, they do come with all 5 measuring spoons. I am going to add the option to add a second set of measuring spoons for a $2 upgrade if anybody wants an extra set. I know on mine, I personally like having 2. I guess to me, it doesn't matter as I'm putting these on the wrong one. It doesn't matter as much anymore because my kids have moved out. But when they were here, it seemed like every time I needed a measuring spoon, they had done something with them. And that's why I created this. And it gave me some sanity to know that when I needed a measuring spoon, I was going to be able to find it. So anyway, I hope you guys like this. If you do want a custom option, please let me know. And these are out on the website, so I will link them down in the description. Thank you so much. And remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. I promise I'll just be a minute. I just want to tell you something really quick in case you are new here to our channel. We are in the process of trying to start a farm, and we're all about going the second mile, and that includes like regenerative farming, composting, all of those things. And a huge help to us would be if we could grow this channel. It would really help support our farming efforts. We've been working on YouTube for more than 4 years and we still haven't reached 1,000 subscribers. But here's the crazy thing. When I go look at the analytics, we get anywhere from 7,500 to 20,000 views a month. So if even just half of those people would subscribe to the channel, we would have already gotten our 1,000 subscribers so that we could get monetized. And I know you hear this all the time from every YouTuber out there, but I just want to stress how important that would be for us if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, but once we can get this channel monetized, we will be able to create much better videos for you guys, higher quality, better content. We definitely do want to bring you guys along on the entire journey of starting our homestead and farm and the nursery business, expanding it out at the new property and everything. So if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, hit the like button. That helps the algorithm as well. So that would just be super helpful to us. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. We love you guys, and I pray you're having a wonderful day. And hey, you might want to check out this video next.